Hello and welcome to Complete Agriculture. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to harvest olive oil harvesting and olive oil factory processing technology you're going to see in this video. So keep watching till the end and enjoy the olive oil processing. Olive oil is an essential ingredient in many cuisines around the world, and it has many health benefits. Harvesting olive oil involves picking the olives at the right time and processing them correctly. Olive oil farming involves growing and maintaining olive trees, including soil management, water management, and the tree maintenance. Olive oil harvesting. The timing of olive oil harvest is crucial for the quality and yield of the olive oil. Olive oil should be harvested when they are ripe but not overripe. The best time to harvest olives is when they have turned from green to black. This usually occurs in the late fall, early winter. How to harvest olive oil? There are too many methods for harvesting olives: hand picking and machinized harvesting. Hand picking is the traditional method and it is still used in the many parts of the world. Machinized harvesting is a modern method that used machine to shake the olives off from the tree. Hand picking method. Hand picking olives is a labor-intensive process, but it is best method for high-quality olives. Workers use special rakes or their hands to pick the olives off the tree. The olives are then collected in a basket and bin, then taken to the olive mill for processing. Machinized method. Machinized harvesting is the fastest method, uses machines to shake the olive off the tree. The machines uses either a trunk shaker or a canopy shaker to shake the tree, causing the olives to fall onto net or a trap. The olives are then collected and then to the olive oil mill for processing. Olive oil is a staple in Mediterranean cuisine and it is used many dishes worldwide. Olive oil has many health benefits, including reducing inflammation, lowering cholesterol level, and improving heart health. To produce high-quality olive oil, it is essential to harvest the olives at the right time and process them correctly. Olive oil has many health benefits. It's rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption of olive oil has shown reduce the risk of chronic disease such as heart disease, stroke, and cancer. Olive oil is also good for your skin and hair. It is anti-aging properties. There are different types of olive oil available in the market. Each type has different properties to uses. The different types of olive oil including the extra virgin olive oil, virgin olive oil, refined olive oil, and plain olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is the highest quality olive oil and is made from pure cold-pressed olives without any heat or chemicals. Harvesting olive oil typically involves several steps. The first step is the determine right time to harvest. Olive oil is the best harvested when the olives are ripe but not overripe. The ideal time for harvesting varies depending on the variety of olive oil and the location and the climate, but generally falls between late October and the early December. Then the next step is prepare the equipment. Before harvesting, make sure you have all the necessary equipment such as net, racks, container ready and good in condition. Then the third step, spread the net. Spread the nets on the ground around the base of the olive trees to catch the olives as they fall. Then the fourth step, harvest the olives. Use a rack or your hand to gently shake the branches to the olive tree, causing the olives to fall onto the net. Be careful not to damage the tree of the olives. Then the fifth step is to collect the olives. Gather the olives from the net and place them in a container or basket. Make sure to separate any leaves or twigs from the olives. Then the transport to olives. Transport the olives to the olive mill as quickly as possible to ensure the highest quality oil. Then the next step is processing the olive oil. At the mill, the olives are been washed, crushed and pressed to extract the oils. The oil is then separated from the water and the solid and stored in the tank. Olive oil processing. Olive oil, once the olives are harvested, they need to process to extract the oil. The olive oil processing involves three main steps: crushing, grinding, and separation of oil. After the olives are harvested, they are taken to the olive mill for processing. The first step in olive oil processing is crushing and grinding. The olives are crushed into the paste using a machine called crusher or a grinder. The paste is then mixed with water to create a slurry. Then malaxation. The next step in the olive oil processing is malaxation. Malaxation is the process of mixing the olive paste to release the oil from the cells. The olive paste is mixed using a machine called malaxer, which slowly rotates the paste. This process can be take up to an hour. Then the next step is separation. The final step in the olive oil processing is separation. The olive oil is separated from the water and the solid material using a centrifuge. The centrifuge spins the mixture, causing the oil to separate from the other component. The resulting olive oil is then stored in a tank until it's ready to be bottled. So it is important to note that the above steps can vary depending upon the specific manufacturer's method and the type of olive oil being produced. The oil is stored in a stainless steel tank to prevent the exposure to light and air, which can cause the oil to deteriorate. The quality of oil should be always maintained by the factory. When the oil is ready to be bottled, it is transferred from the storage tank to the bottling machine. The bottles are then sealed and labeled before being packaged for shipping. By following the harvesting steps, you can produce high quality olive oil that is both healthy and delicious. I hope you enjoy the olive oil manufacturing process. There's a lots of time and effort taken to make this one video. Just need 1 second to subscribe, and it's give me lots of motivation to make another new video. So please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching once again.